Good morning, students. We already discussed about standard results of hyperbola and some problem based on hyperbola. And already we worked out shifting the center from 0, 0 to some other place. Then we are taking out a tabular column. In the tabular column, with reference to capital X, capital Y, we are finding out the result. Then the conversion. We already worked out some same model problems. Today also we are having one more problem in this type. Find the center, foci, vertices, like that. See the question, y minus 2 the whole squared divided by 25 minus x plus 1 the whole squared divided by 16 equal to 1. Y minus 2 the whole squared divided by 25 minus x plus 1 the whole squared divided by 16 equal to 1. This is the given hyperbola. In this given question, it is not in the standard formation. So give the name. Let us consider capital X equal to x plus 1 and capital Y equal to y minus 2. So this is reference to capital X, reference to capital Y. Now the given equation becomes capital Y squared. The name is capital Y squared divided by 25 minus capital X squared by 16 equal to 1. Now the given equation reduces to standard formation. It is in the type 2 formation. The reason is starting with the y squared. So y squared by 25 minus x squared by 16 equal to 1. So the first denominator is a squared equal to 25, b squared equal to 16. So we need a squared, b squared. Then we need the e value. What is the formula? Square root of a squared plus b squared divided by a squared. See the result here. Root of a squared means 25. Then plus b squared means 16 divided by a squared. Again a squared means 25. That means root of 25 plus 16 it becomes root 41. So keep root 41 as it is. The remaining root 25 becomes y. Therefore the e value root 41 divided by 5. This value e greater than 1 because approximately square root of 41 means 6 point something. Here divided by 5. So it will produce e greater than 1. So for a hyperbola, e greater than 1. So we must find the given question belongs to which type. Then we need a squared, b squared, the value of e. So we already worked out. Take down all these results. See here, a squared equal to 25, b squared equal to 16. Then e value equal to root of 41 divided by 5. Then the name of capital X. The name of capital X equal to x plus 1. The name of capital Y. Y equal to y minus 2. So capital X equal to x plus 1. Capital Y equal to y minus 2. Now we are going to construct a table. In the table, first column reference to capital X Y axis. Then the second column we are going to convert with the small x and small y. Now listen. So we need to construct a table. In this table, it refers to capital X Y axis. Then here small x comma y axis. Then we need to convert. See here capital X equal to x plus 1. We need small x equal to capital X minus 1. Capital X minus 1. Now small y equal to, see capital Y equal to y minus 2. We need small y. That means it becomes y plus 2. This negative convert to the other side, it becomes y plus 2. So we are going to convert with reference to small x, small y axis. That is the result we need. So already we discussed the given question belongs to type 2. So first you have to find out the fundamentals. We need a squared, we need b squared, we need e, then capital X, capital Y, then the given hyperbola belongs to which type? Here it belongs to type 2. Now the first result is center. We need to find the center. What is the value of center? 0, 0. 0, 0 is the center. Now the second result is vertices. The formula to find the vertices here 0, a, then 0, minus a. Listen carefully. For type number 1, a comma 0 minus a comma 0. Now it is type number 2. The meaning of type number 2 is transverse axis along y-axis. So all the results, all the points with reference to y-axis. Therefore 0 comma a, 0 comma minus a. See here, a squared equal to 25. Already you worked out. Now 0 comma 5, then 0 comma minus 5. The result 0 comma a. A means square root of. So 0 comma a, 0 comma minus a. Substitute 0 comma 5, 0 comma minus 5. The third one is foci. In general formula 0 comma ae, 0 comma minus ae. This is the formula. Now we need ae. See here the value of a equal to 5. The value of e equal to root of 41 divided by 5. 5 will be removed. Therefore ae means 0 comma root of 41. Again 0 comma minus root of 41. Just substitute the data. That's all your work. Simple method. 0 comma ae, 0 comma minus ae. Work out everything in your rough column. Then ae means a value 5, e value root 41 by 5. 5 will be removed. Therefore root 41. 0 comma root 41, 0 comma minus root 41. This is the value of foci. Now need directrices. Directrices formula y equal to plus or minus a divided by e. We already worked out all the results in your theoretical concept. So now we need a divided by e. So here a equal to 5. The value of e equal to root 41 by 5. 5 getting reciprocal, so 5 into 5 becomes y equal to plus or minus 25 divided by root 41. So we are worked out all the results based on capital X, capital Y axis. So for the first column you have to fill capital X, capital Y. Then these results are based on the fundamental theoretical concept only. Directly you can substitute. The given equation belongs to type 2. It may be type 1 or type 2. That is the only difference. So center always 0 comma 0 for any two types. Then vertices for type number 1 a comma 0 minus a comma 0. Now it belongs to y-axis. Just interchange 0 comma a, 0 comma minus a. Now then substitute the a value. Foci 0 comma ae, 0 comma minus ae. For type number 1 ae comma 0, then minus ae comma 0. Then directrices y equal to plus or minus a divided by e. Just substitute the a value, e value, then simplify it. Now your work is just convert this one. See, very simple calculation. Center denoted by c. C for center. See, it is a 0 comma 0. The point refers to this x comma y. In general 3 comma 5. What is the meaning of 3 comma 5? 3 refers to x, 5 refers to y. The same value. 0 comma 0 means 0, again 0. Capital X, capital Y. That is the only concept. Just here substitute. See here capital X value is 0. 0 minus 1 we can get minus 1. Then capital Y equal to once again 0. Substitute here 0 plus 2. That's all. You have to substitute here and write the result. See vertices. It is denoted by a. 0 comma 5. This value x. Again x means capital X means 0. Then minus 1. Again 5. 5 refers to y. 5 plus 2 7. Then a dash. Again 0. 0 refers to capital X. Minus 1. Minus 5. Already here minus 5 plus 2. So we can get minus 3. Here substitute y equal to minus 5. Then plus 2. Then get the result. Then foci. Foci are denoted by f. What is the value of here? 0 comma root 41. 0 refers to capital X. Substitute here minus 1. Then root 41. Y value root 41. Root 41 plus 2. Then f dash. Take the second point in the same way. 0. 0 refers to x. So minus 1. Minus root 41 plus 2. The reason is minus root 41 refers to y. Minus root 41 then plus 2. Here we need to eliminate capital Y. What is the name of capital Y? Y minus 2. Just substitute. See the name? Capital Y equal to Y minus 2 equal to plus or minus 25 divided by root 41. We can write like this. because we need the equation. So we need the equation y equal to, convert this negative to the other side, it will become positive 2, then plus or minus 25 divided by root 41. So that's all. You have to convert this one. These are the result we need. But with the help of capital X, capital Y, we are converting. So this is type number 2. Center, then vertices, foci, directrices. These are the result we need. Already I have explained. See, all the changes in Y only. I already explained. Type 2. What is the name of type 2? Transverse axis along Y axis. Therefore, see, all the changes happens in your Y family. Y coordinates only. This is type 2. So, see the X coordinates, all the X values become same. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So, this is the important place you have to verify. So, all the X families, X values are remain same. Then, here the Y coordinates values are changes. It is type 2. Suppose all the changes happens in X only, then it belongs to type 1. This is an important reason you have to analyze. Now we have to draw the diagram. See, center, then vertices, foci, like this. We need to draw the diagram. If you are going to draw the diagram, we need the result. Just take down result. What are the results? Center, see, center minus 1, 2. Then A, one of the vertex, minus 1, 7, A dash, minus 1, minus 3. Here A dash, minus 1, minus 3. Then focus F, minus 1, root of 41 plus 2. Then F dash becomes minus 1, minus root 41 plus 2. So we need these points to draw the diagram. Already we confirmed the given question belongs to type 2. The name of type 2 means transverse axis along Y axis. Now we have to draw the diagrammatic explanation. See this. We have to draw the capital X, small x, small y, then origin 0, 0. Now see the center minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2 is a point which lies in the second quadrant. See, here X takes negative, Y takes positive. So minus 1, 2 units. Center minus 1, 2. If the center is shifting from 0, 0 to some other place, then take new axis, capital X and capital Y, parallel to small x, small y. Already we decided this one. See, capital Y and the X, which is parallel to small x and small y. This is the first logic. See the next one. We need the vertices. Minus 1, 7. Once again listen, minus 1, 7 lies in second quadrant. See, this is minus 1, 2. Again we take some more distance. It becomes A of minus 1, 7. See, it is minus 1, 2. The value of y becomes 7. So, it is increasing. Minus 1, 7. See, A dash, minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 3 lies in the third quadrant. See, minus 1, minus 3. Already we are having, see, center minus 1, 2. Again, minus 3 means it becomes down. See, A dash, minus 1, minus 3. So, depends upon the points, you have to select the quadrant and just graphical diagrams only. See, already we decided the concept. Hyperbola passing through the vertices. Already we decided it is type 2. See here, type 2 means. So once again, these are the hyperbolic diagram. So this diagram belongs to Y axis. Therefore, transverse axis along Y axis. That is the logic. Now, see here, F and F dash. See, negative, then positive. So here, root 41 means 6 point something, already I explained. 6 point something, again added with 2, it will become 8 point. So 8 point means already we decided 7 up to 7. Again just little more here. Say F here, minus 1, root 41 plus 2. So you have to plot the points, that's all. Then f dash automatically, see a here, f here, automatically a dash here, f dash must be here only. This is the logic. So we need the points, depends upon the logic, take down. Like this, it is capital Y dash, minus 1 comma minus 3. So this is called a symmetrical diagram. Center A F. So once again C A F dash. A dash here, F dash must be here. So the F dash value must be minus 1 comma minus of root 41 plus 2. Again root 41 becomes 6 point something. Again adding with it, we can get 4 point something. Already up to negative 3. Negative 4 means again little bit downward direction. See, this is the diagrammatic explanation. Center, vertex, focus. The same way. Center, again one more vertex, again one more focus. This is the diagrammatic explanation. So dear students, you have to read the question. Whatever the given data, your knowledge must coincide. The given hyperbola belongs to which type? That is the first decision you have to select. Suppose the given equation may be in direct formation, some other question not in direct formation. Suppose the equation is given directly, one equation like this, 18x squared minus 7y squared, like that, 7x 10y plus constant. You have to convert into the standard formation with the help of capital X capital Y naming. So first you have to select x family, y family constant. After that, then using the a minus b the whole square formation or a plus b the whole square formation. In your lower standard already you convert to the completing the square method. Use that idea, then convert, then select a squared, select b squared, then the given equation belongs to which type. After that, find out e. First place you have to find the e. Then e must be greater than 1. That is the decision you have to select. After that, draw a tabular column. In the tabular column, first column refers to capital S, capital Y. All the results based on the basic formulas only. Then your conversion. Try to work out yourself. No need to memory anything. Try yourself all these type of problems. So far we discussed a question given is find the center, foci, vertices, directrices, length of the lattice rectum, like that they may be asked. So that equation is given, then you have to form these results. This is one type of questions. Now we are going to work out another model. Out of these results, we already discussed 10 results. What are the 10 results? Center, vertices, foci, directrices, length of the lattice rectum, equation of the lattice rectum, length of the transverse, length of the conjugate, equation of the transverse, equation of the conjugate. Another one formation is endpoints of the lattice rectum also given. So these are the fundamental results. So we are finding out so far this type of questions. Equation given, we are finding out these 10 results. Now out of these 10 results, any 2 results may be given. You have to form the equation. See this question. In this model, question number 1. Find the equation of the hyperbola. Find the equation of the hyperbola. Find the equation of the hyperbola whose foci plus or minus 2, 0 and eccentricity is 3/2. See, just now we are worked out, equation is given. So far we worked out the sums, equation given, we are finding out the eccentricity. I already explained eccentricity must be greater than 1 for a hyperbola. See here 3/2. 3/2 means 1.5. It should be greater than 1. Therefore here eccentricity is given and another result foci is given. See here foci, already we discussed it. What is the meaning of foci? F 2, 0, F dash minus 2, 0. This is the given data. See, given data is, in general, by basic formula, foci are denoted by AE, 0 minus AE, 0. Just now we worked out the table sums. In the table sums, for type number 1, focus generally denoted by AE, 0. Another one minus AE, 0. So compare with this. AE equal to 2. See, just we are able to compare here. Therefore, here AE equal to 2. In your question itself, eccentricity is given. Therefore, already we know E equal to 3 by 2. This is also given. Just instead of this 3, I can substitute the value 3 by 2. So A, again E is replaced by 3 by 2 equal to 2. Therefore, A equal to, just to cross multiply, 2 into 2 becomes 4 divided by 3. This is the value of A. This is the value of A. See, find the equation of the hyperbola. Foci given. Whose foci? Plus or minus 2, 0. Foci are generally denoted by F 2, 0. F dash minus 2, 0. That means AE, 0 minus AE, 0. Here AE equal to 2. See here, AE equal to 2. Already in your given data, E also given. See the question, E equal to eccentricity is 3 by 2. That means E equal to 3 by 2. Instead of this E, I am substituting the data 3 by 2. Just to cross multiply, 2 into 2, 4 divided by 3. This is the value of A. See, just we worked out the value of A. Then we need B value, that means B squared. From the basic definition of hyperbola, we worked out the standard result, that means standard equation of hyperbola. In that equation, we are having the formula B squared equal to A squared of E squared minus 1. This is the result we already worked out. You can refer your standard equation of the hyperbola. B squared equal to A squared of E squared minus 1. See this data, B squared equal to see A squared. A equal to 4 by 16. That means we have to square. So A squared means 16 divided by 9. Then here E squared. See the value of E squared. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 square means, see here 3 by 2 square means, here 3 square becomes 9. 2 square become 4. Again minus 1. Just to simplify this one. 16 divided by 9. Take LCM. 9 minus 4. So we can get 5 divided by 4. These 4 and 16 will be simplified. Therefore 4 and 16 will be simplified. We can get 4. 4 into 5 becomes 20 divided by 9. This is the value of B squared. Therefore we can say B squared equal to 20 divided by 9. Listen students once again. After finding out the value of A, we need B squared. You are able to write A means A squared also. So A squared means 4 squared becomes 16 divided by 9. So the formula to find B squared equal to A squared of E squared minus 1. So A squared just now we worked out the value of A squared equal to 16 divided by 9. Substitute here 16 divided by 9. We need A squared. What is the value of E squared? Sorry, E squared here. E equal to 3 by 2, just square 9 by 4. Then take LCM. 9 minus 4 means we can get 5 by 4. 4 and 16 will be simplified. We can get 4. 4 times 5, 20 divided by 9. Now, what is the equation of the hyperbola? Therefore, equation of the hyperbola. Equation of the hyperbola. What is the formula here? X squared by A squared minus Y squared by B squared equal to 1. How we are decided this is type 1. See the result of foci. 2, 0 minus 2, 0. Therefore, the point having x coordinate only here. Y value becomes 0. Therefore, all these values belongs to x-axis only. Therefore, here transverse axis along x-axis. So, we can decide by using the points. Here 2, 0 minus 2, 0. It is in the form of AE, 0 minus AE, 0. Therefore, the foci value lies on x-axis only. Therefore, transverse axis along x-axis, it belongs to type number 1. Now we have to substitute the data here. See here, x squared divided by the value of A squared, 16 divided by 9, minus Y squared divided by the value of B squared, just now we worked out, 20 divided by 9 equal to 1. So we are able to take the reciprocal. Just to take the reciprocal, 9x squared divided by 16 minus 9y squared divided by 20 equal to 1. This is the equation of the required hyperbola. Therefore, the question asked is find the equation of the hyperbola. See the given data, foci given, eccentricity given. So I am already explained. Out of the 10 results, any 2 results may be given. With the help of these 2 results, we are able to work out the equation. Just now we worked, equation is given, we are working out the values of a squared, b squared, e value. So here, the reverse process, any data is given, you are able to find the equation of the hyperbola. So that you have to realize and read the all theoretical concept. That only you are able to recall the given equation belongs to which type. Here, the given data belongs to which type. Here, what are the given data? Foci given. What is the meaning of foci? F 2, 0. F dash minus 2, 0. Then compare with AE, 0 minus AE, 0. Therefore, AE is known value. That is the first logic. After that, work out the values of E square. E is also given. Then work out the value of B squared. Substitute, simplify. So in the same model, you have one more equation. Just data only changes. See the question. Read what are the given data. Now listen students. Find the equation of the same model we are having. Second question. Find the equation. Find the equation of the hyperbola. Find the equation of the hyperbola whose vertices are 0, plus or minus 4 and foci are 0, plus or minus 6. See, we are giving 2 data. What are the given data? Vertices are given 0, plus or minus 4. Foci are given 0, plus or minus 6. Just now we worked out the second type of equation. In that second type, vertices, see the concept, given vertices 0, plus or minus 4. So I can write like this, 0, positive 4 and 0, negative 4. See the data, 0, 4, 0, minus 4. It belongs to y values only. Therefore, vertices are denoted by 0, a and 0, minus a. Therefore, a equal to, we can compare, a equal to 4. Just comparison. So, vertices are denoted by, so a, 0, minus a. So 0, 4 means here a equal to 4. The same way, another one is given, foci are given. See the foci. Foci are 0, plus or minus 6. So I can write like this, 0, 6 and 0, minus 6. For comparison, we are taking like this. What is the formula for foci? 0, AE. Now 0, minus AE. So with the basic definition, we have all the results. Just a comparison. 0, AE, 0, minus AC. Comparison, just I am taking the positive unit. AE equal to 4. Sorry, AE equal to 6. Compare with this one. A only 4, AE equal to 6. So see here, A we are worked out, AE we are worked out. Then this equation belongs to type 2. How? All the results having the y coordinates only. See here 0, 4, 0, minus 4, 0, 6, 0, minus 6. All the values having y coordinates only. So it belongs to y axis only. That means transverse axis along y axis. So the given equation is type 2. Type 2. So we worked out AE. We need B. See, just now we are using the formula B squared equal to, what is the formula? Just now we used B squared equal to A squared of E squared minus 1. A squared of E squared minus 1. But in the previous question, E value is given. Therefore, we are substituting here E value directly. But here, E value is not given. Just use one idea, just a simple idea. Just multiply this A squared inside. We are able to write A squared E squared minus A squared. Just to open this bracket, this a squared is multiplication with e squared, we can get a squared e squared minus a squared. Here ae value is no. So ae value is 6. That means a squared e squared means 6 squared. It becomes b squared equal to 36. 6 squared 36. Minus a value is 4. That means a squared value is 16. From this we can work out b squared equal to 36 minus 16, we can say 20. See the logics first. What are the things we are having in our hands? A value, we are having a value 4, ae value 6. Then use the formula. We need b squared. Formula to find b squared equal to a squared of e squared minus 1. Just to open this bracket, we are getting a squared e squared minus a squared. Here ae means 6. Just to square it, we can get say 36. A4 just square 16. Therefore b squared equal to 20. See the results. What are the results we are having? A equal to 4. Therefore a squared equal to 16. We need the equation of the hyperbola. See, it is type 2. Type 2 means, what is the formula? What is the formula for the type 2? That means transverse axis along y-axis. So we are having a squared, b squared, type 2. So just we are going to write the equation. Equation of the hyperbola. Equation of the hyperbola is capital Y squared, small y squared also. Y squared divided by a squared minus x squared divided by b squared equal to 1. If you are using capital X, capital Y, when we are using capital X and capital Y, center is shifting from 0, 0 to some other point, then we can get. Here, center is origin only. Here, how we are deciding here center is origin? See the result. What are the result means? Foci is given. That means vertices is also given. 0, 4, 0, minus 4. This is the vertices. Then foci also given. What are the foci values? 0, 6, 0, minus 6. Then we already known the basic result. C, center, is the midpoint of A dash, F dash. See midpoint here, 4, minus 4. Midpoint must be 0, 0 only. Therefore, for this type, you can realize the ideas. Center is 0, 0. You can write here, center 0, 0. What is the meaning of center? It is the midpoint of A and A dash, F and F dash. So, here 0, 4, 0, minus 4. That is the vertices. Therefore, center must be 0 only. That means center means 0, 0. So, you are using the formula y squared by a squared minus x squared by b squared equal to 1. Here y squared by a squared. What is the value of a squared? 16. Minus x squared divided by b squared. What is the value of b squared? 20. That is equal to 1. We already will know. Starting with the x squared is type 1. For example, it is in the form of x squared by a squared minus y squared by b squared equal to 1. This is called type 1. This is called type 1. What is the difference between these two? See, we are having a small difference. You have to realize this type. This is compared with this one. What is the difference between here starting with the x squared? It belongs to type 1. Here starting with the y squared, it belongs to type 2. For these two equations, both these, center is 0, 0. That is, center is the origin. Therefore, you have to realize here center is origin. If the center is the origin 0, 0, then use small x small. If the center is shifting from 0, 0 to some other place, then use capital S, capital Y. That is the only difference. So here it is belongs to type 2. Then use y squared by a squared, x squared by b squared. That means already we worked out a squared equal to 16, b squared equal to 20. Just you have to substitute. For these two questions, just recall the things. So out of the results, standard results, out of the standard result means maybe a center, maybe a foci, maybe a vertices, maybe a directrices, like that. In this result, just they are giving two datas. What are the two datas for the first question? They are giving in the first question, foci is given, eccentricity is given, that is two data. For the second question, foci given, vertices given. So from this, you have to analyze the given question belongs to which type. Then you need the center. Center is the midpoint of, see the diagrammatic explanation. So then only you can observe everything. for type number 1, transverse axis along x-axis. See, type number 1 means, just I am drawing a rough diagram. This is enough to explanation. X-axis, origin, here x-axis. See this one? This is the hyperbolic diagram. This is A, this is Z, this must be L, this must be L dash. Here you can get the focus. You can get the focus. In the same way, because of the symmetry, this is A, same distance we are having A dash. This is A dash. See here F, here must be F dash. This is X dash, X axis X dash, Y axis Y dash. This is L, this is L dash. It passing through the point Z, here is Z dash. See, this is called center. This is called center. So center is midpoint of Z dash, midpoint of A dash, midpoint of F dash. This is center meaning. Type number 1. See, this is x-axis. So transverse, you may using this transverse, the word transverse is in many places in your physics. So transverse axis, transverse waves like that you are using. So transverse means it is penetrating the hyperbolic diagram. See, this is second type, x-axis, here L, this must be L dash. See, this is y-axis. In the same way we are having one more hyperbolic diagram here. See, the same one, all the results belongs to x-axis. Here all the results belongs to y-axis. See, this is the center, that means origin 0, 0. It is Z, must be Z dash. This is A, this must be A dash. Then focus must be here. Focus must go, another one focus here. See, this is type 2. This type 1 equation is x squared by a squared minus y squared by b squared equal to 1. All these theoretical concepts, you are worked out everything. Just a recall. So then only you are getting the ideas here. So this is type 2, type 1. Starting with x squared. Starting with the y squared. So it is, the name of this is transverse axis along x-axis. The name is transverse axis along y-axis. So here center. The center must be the midpoint of Z dash, A dash, F dash. Here also same, center must be the midpoint of Z dash, A dash, F dash. That means you have to analyze the diagrammatic explanation. If you are well versed in your diagrammatic explanation, no need to memory. Just we can recall the diagram, we are able to understand everything. So here for these two type of questions, we just having the center 0, 0. Therefore we take out the origin as the center, then directly take out the standard result. This is standard result 1, standard result 2. Suppose center may be shifted. If the center is shifted, instead of 0, 0, the center is shifting to some other place, say h, k. Instead of 0, 0, the center may be shifting. For this type of questions, just recall only one question in the same model. So that I am explaining everything once again. Just recalling all the basic concept. See here. Center is, if the center is, find the equation of the hyperbola whose center is 2, 1. One of the foci is 8, 1. One of the foci is 8, 1, and the directrix is x equal to 4. See this difference? In previous two questions, center is the origin 0, 0. Here center is shifting some other point. Center is 2, 1. We are having two focus. One is F and F dash. In the previous question, that is given foci is given. Here see, one of the foci is given and the equation of the directrix is given. So now listen students, select what are the given data. Given center 2, 1. One of the foci, I can select F. I am giving the name myself, I am giving the name 1F. 8, 1. Equation of the directrix. Generally we are saying the directrices means it's a plural. We are having two directrices. Just now we draw the diagram Z and Z dash. That is the passing through the point. L and L dash are the directrices. It is passing through the point Z and Z dash. So we are having two directrices. But one of the directrices is given. That value is x equal to 4. So from the given question, I am selecting center, one of the foci, then directrix, one of the directrix. With the help of this, I am going to draw the diagram. Now listen the diagram. Here center given means, just now I was explaining, if the center is the origin 0, 0, we can take the direct diagrams. But here center is shifting. Therefore, it must be C of H, K. Generally, center is denoted by C of H, K. Now listen carefully. X-axis, Y-axis, X dash, Y dash. Here must be origin. Now listen, center is 2, 1. 2, 1 is a point which lies in the first quadrant. X having 2 units, Y having 1 unit. 2, 1. Just I can take the point center 2, 1. Now we need to draw axis. See capital X and capital Y axis. So we need to draw new axis, capital X and capital Y, parallel to small x and small y. Here center is shifting to some other point. Instead of the center 0, 0, it is shifting to the point 2, 1. Another one value is given, focus. That is one of the focus is given 8, 1. Here already we denoted 2, 1. 8, 1 must be something here only. Say this is F 8, 1. So center, then 2, 1, focus 8, 1. We are able to work out. See the directrix x equal to 4. What is the meaning of x equal to 4? Here 0, 0. Then here 2 units, 3 units, 4 units. Just you take down here. This is the point 4, 0. Then a line passing through the point 4, 0. It is parallel to y-axis. Its equation is x equal to 4. So x equal to 4 means it is a straight line. We can say directrix L. It is a straight line passing through the point 4, 0, then parallel to y-axis. Its equation is equation of the directrix. Now listen, it is the only one idea. See here, C here, that is the center. F here, that means one of the foci. Already just now I explained directrix passing through the point Z. Just now I explained directing passing through the point Z. Another one directrix passing through the point Z. Now I am taking it is Z. You can imagine what is the value of Z now. It has 4 units here. Then Y value is 1. So this is the point 4, 1. This is the point 4, 1. How we are taking this decision? See, this is 4 units. This is X unit. It is the value of Y. See, already it is Y value 1. So now the Z is 4, 1. That's all the idea given in your question. See this diagram now. So center is given, F is given. That means Z we are creating 4, 1. How we are creating? It is the equation x equal to 4. That means it is a line parallel to y-axis passing through the point 4, 1. Here 4, 0. Here 4, 0. Then the Z must be 4, 1. From this diagram, CF. Immediately we are able to find out CF. See, what is the value of C? 2, 1. F 8, 1. Now what is the distance between C and F? It is 2 units, it is 8 units. What is the difference? It is unit. So So CF generally denoted by AE, AE equal to 6. C is the center difference between these 2 points. It is 8, 1, 2, 1. Just subtract. From this 8 minus 2, we can get 6. You can use the distance formula also. That is a long one. Just to analyze. Here CF is denoted by AE. From this 8, 1, just subtract 2, 1, we can get 6. After that CZ, we are able to find out CZ. CZ is denoted by A by E. In general, CZ is denoted by A by E. It is denoted by, what is the distance between C and Z? Here 4, 1, here 2, 1. Just subtract here, we can get 2 units. Say this is result number 1. Say this is result number 2. So CF is distance between 2 points. So CF equal to AE. That means 6 units. CZ is denoted by A by E. Then it is nothing but 4 minus 2, we can get 2 units. Just multiplying these two equations. AE multiplication with A by E equal to here 6 is multiplication with 2. AE multiplication with A by E. What is the necessity? E will be removed directly. Then we can get A again, A multiplication, we can get A squared. A squared equal to 6 into 2, we can get 12. See the logic? A by E, just to multiply, E will be removed. A squared equal to 6 into 2, we can get 12. Then after finding out the value of A squared, we need B squared. What is the formula to find B squared? Just now we worked out the two results just now. A squared of E squared minus 1. Here E is not given. Therefore we have to multiply inside. Just A squared E squared minus A squared. See what is the value of AE? AE means 6. Just squaring we can get 36. AE means 6. A squared E squared means 36. What is the value of A squared just now? 12. So B squared equal to 36 minus 12, we can get 24. This is the very simple ideas. But you have to realize, then only you are able to work out. All these diagrammatic explanation we already worked out in the standard equation. Just what is the meaning of C? C is the center. It is shifting from some other point to H, K. Then already explained many times. If the center is shifting, then draw capital X, capital Y axis. So draw capital X, capital Y. After that, focus is given. One of the focus 8, 1. Then directrix is given. All these explanation we are very well explained in your theoretical concept. So dear students, read the theoretical concept. Then work out where it should be placed. Now, we are having A squared. We are having B squared. Then center is having, it is belongs to type number 1 because all the results on the x-axis only. Now, we are able to find the equation. Now let's just now listen the equation. Equation of the hyperbola is. Equation of the hyperbola. Now listen, we are used capital X and capital Y. Therefore, it must be capital X squared by A squared minus capital Y squared by B squared equal to 1. Now, capital X and capital Y must be replaced. What is the procedure? Capital X equal to X minus H, capital Y equal to Y minus K. We are giving the name capital S, capital Y just now. So we are giving the name is capital X is denoted by X minus H, capital Y is denoted by Y minus K. What is the meaning of H, K? The center is denoted by, see the center 2, 1. It is represented by the point H, K. Then we have to substitute the data here. Just listen here. I am substituting. This is small x. Now listen the value. Capital X is replaced by X minus H the whole squared divided by the values of A squared. Y is replaced by Y minus K the whole squared divided by B squared equal to 1. So this is the result we need. So what is the meaning of H, K? Center is denoted by H, K. Just substitute X minus 2. H is replaced by 2 divided by, just now you worked out A squared. What is the value of A squared? Just now you worked out 12 minus Y minus K. What is the value of K here? 1. Y minus 1 the whole squared. Just now you worked out the B squared equal to 24. That is equal to 1. Just now, in the previous first question itself, we are giving the name capital S, capital Y. This is the question, shifting the center from 0, 0, 2, this is the center generally, but shifting to the point 2, 1. Therefore, if the center is shifting to the point, then use capital S, capital Y. So, equation x squared by a squared minus y squared by b squared equal to 1. Now, capital X is replaced by x minus h, y minus k. H comma k means center. We worked out the value of a squared. We worked with the value of b squared. Just a squared equal to 12, b squared equal to 24. Then h and k are replaced by the center. This is the another type of questions. So, before that, this type of equation is given. You are creating the tabular column. After that, finding out the values of center, foci, vertices, then shifting to the point. Some other value, capital S, capital Y. Converted to small x, small y. Here, center is given, foci is given, directrix is given. With the help of 3 data, you are working out the equation. So, draw the diagram first. With the help of this diagram, CF equal to AE means 6. CZ equal to A by E means 12. Just multiply AE multiplication with A by E will be removed, we can get A squared, 6 into 2, 12. After that b squared, what is the formula to find the values of b squared? B squared equal to a squared of e squared minus 1. Just multiply the a squared, e squared minus a squared. AE means 6, 6 squared means 36, minus a squared means 12, we can get b squared equal to 24. Just substitute here. This is the another type of questions. So dear students, first you have to analyze the diagrammatic explanation. Then only you are very strong in your analytical geometry. The heading itself, they are saying the meaning analytical geometry you have to analyze. You have to analyze the geometrical diagrammatic explanation. Then only you must be very thorough in all the results. So, dear students, try yourself, work out the problems. Thank you.